In today's video, I will show you how you can use YouTube to make big money online, but without showing your face on camera whatsoever. This is free to do, and all you need to do is follow all the steps in this video and you'll be able to start making money right away. Now, just before I show you everything, if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Okay, so you heard that right. We will be using YouTube today to get paid. Now, as some of you may know, in order to get monetized on YouTube, it requires 1,000 subs and 4,000 hours of watch time. Both of these you won't be able to obtain that easily at first, and so I will show you in this video a way to make money from your YouTube videos in the very beginning without needing monetization. And once you do get monetized, you'll be making a lot of money both from the video ads and a site I will show you later on. Now, with that said, the type of videos you will want to create on YouTube are these workout videos on this channel called Workout Music. There are several reasons we want to make these videos in particular. First off, they will draw in views, and of course, more views equals more money. The most popular video of this particular channel, guys, has had 14 million views thus far, and it's not the only video with millions of views too. So, as you can see, people love these motivational videos, and they do draw in huge numbers. Anyways, the second reason we want to make these type of videos is because they're very easy to make. These videos essentially consist of an image and audio. That's it. For example, the most popular video I showed you a second ago with 14 million views consists of just a single image running through the entire video. As you can see, it's insanely easy to find images like these online, and I will show you where to get high quality and royalty-free images, but also where to exactly find the audio for your videos. Now, something worth noting is that the newer videos of this particular channel do include some video at the beginning. But for this video, the clips only last for 8 minutes and the rest of the video is, once again, just a simple image. But if some of you want to include some clips in your YouTube videos, then no worries. I will also show you where to find them as well. Now, with all of that said, guys, if you come over to socialblade.com and search for the previously shown YouTube channel, you will see that this person is doing very well. According to Social Blade, this channel makes between $1,000 and $17,000 a month. The numbers are generally in between, but in this case, I don't think they are, guys, because if you come back over to this channel, you will see that all of these videos are very long, and this is important because the longer the video, the more ads you can fit in said video, and thus the more money you can make. And so, in my opinion, this channel is making at the very least $10,000 a month from those videos. So, as you can see, this can pay off big time for you, most definitely. The best part is that this channel has only 63 videos, as you can see. So despite the fact that it only has a small amount of videos, this person is still making loads of money. So this can actually turn into a passive income of sorts. And if you upload like 10 videos a month, you could be doing very well for yourself and make loads of money. Anyway, with that out of the way, let me now show you exactly how to make those types of videos. Let's start with the images and clips. Where can you obtain them? Well, I have several platforms for you. The first one is called pixabay.com. The second one is called pexels.com. These are both very similar platforms, but what they both have in common is that by using them, you can find royalty-free images and also videos which you can download and use for free and without any copyright problems. So it's completely fine to use them for your YouTube videos, for example. And basically, what you need to do is search for workout, fitness, gym, and so on. And I have searched for fitness on Pexels, as you can see, and there are thousands and thousands of images that not only can I use freely, but they also look absolutely stunning. This image I found, for example, is perfect for the types of videos I want to create. And when you find an image you think is fitting for your content, all you gotta do is just click on Free Download here to download it to your PC. You can also click on this little arrow next to the download button to choose the exact resolution you want to download the image in as well. Anyways, Pexels and Pixabay are both fantastic in order to find royalty-free images for your videos. However, if you want to include clips in your videos like that previous channel does in the beginning, you most definitely can. You can see videos in the upper left corner, and there are over 7,000 of them relating to fitness alone. Now you just have to click on videos and then you will be able to find and download a video you want. You will do so in the same fashion as you did with the photo. With that being said, guys, I don't recommend downloading the videos because, as you've seen, the most popular video from that channel did not even include a single clip within it. Just a simple image, so I don't think using clips is really necessary, but I'll leave that decision up to you. With that done, now that you have your video, it's time for me to show you where you can find the audio. And the YouTube audio library is perfect for that purpose, guys. To access it, just click on your YouTube logo and then you want to select YouTube Studio right here. And on the next page on the left-hand side, you just need to scroll down and then click on Audio Library. And in the YouTube Audio Library, you can find thousands upon thousands of songs, and you can use most of them on YouTube without any copyright problems, which means that you can actually get monetized and earn money from the ad revenue as well. Anyhow, since you are creating videos for motivation, you will want to use the filter option here in order to find the perfect types of songs. I highly recommend you filter by genre and mood. You can, for example, select the mood to be inspirational, and this will now show you songs that you can potentially use in your videos. Play around with this a bit, guys, and use the filter option to find songs you think are the most motivational and in general best for your videos. When you find ones that you like, all you gotta do is hover your mouse over one of them and click on download right here. Now the number of songs per video you will want is generally between 7 and 10. This will allow you to create a video that's between 30 and 40 minutes long, which is perfect. In any case, once you download both the photos and songs, that means you now have both the audio and video. So the last thing you need is a video editing software. One of the best out there that you can also download and use for free is called OpenShot over at their website, openshot.org. And believe me, guys, you don't need like Sony Vegas or whatever in order to create those videos. I will actually show you using Sony Vegas just how simple and easy this is to do. Okay, so I'm now in Sony Vegas and I have uploaded a few songs to use as an example, and also a photo just above them. And let me show you all that you literally need to do. You just want the video to match the audio, so you will need to drag this photo like so until it's the same length as the audio, and that's literally it. This is precisely what you will want to do in OpenShot as well. And you've seen this took me 30 seconds to do? It's really simple stuff. You don't need any video editing skills whatsoever. In any case, now that you have your video, it's finally time for me to reveal the website that you can use in order to maximize your profits and earn money before you get monetized as well. That site is called kit.co. This website allows you to create shoppable collections of your favorite products, grouped into kits, so your followers can buy the tools you can't live without. So this allows you to group various products together, which is a really awesome feature. If you are creating videos related to photography, for example, kit.co allows you to grab a single link where you have grouped all the various products related to photography that you can then leave in your description, and thousands of people will be able to see them. In our case, since we are creating videos related to workout, you can promote various gym products like barbells, for example. And the best part is you can add 10 to 15 different products instead of just one. And this will allow you to earn far more money than otherwise would be the case. Anyways, you need an account on here before you can promote anything. So you want to click on sign up in the upper right corner to create one first. From there, just click on this plus icon, and then you will want to search and add various gym products as I have here. You will then need to click on Done, and they will give you a link that you will leave in the description, and thousands upon thousands, if not millions of people will be able to see it. And just think about it. If you have a product that costs $50, 10 people buying it means you've already made $500 just like that. So this has enormous potential, as you can see. And once you do get monetized, that will allow you to easily earn thousands upon thousands of dollars passively. Anyways, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.